Are you a good boy? So how long for the... Are you a good boy?
1 minute.
Hey, are you a good boy? Are you a good boy?
I think he sees I'm recording. Stinker. And here's Peter. Mr. Peter. Who said a couple words today?
His first word.
His first words. He said, what did he say first?
What you doing?
What you doing? That's right. He said, what you doing? And then he said, peekaboo. 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 Where's Benjamin? Where's Benjamin? Peekaboo.
I do that to him sometimes
Peekaboo.
when it's like nighttime and his face is covered in
Can you say hi, Dylan? Hi, Dylan.
food.
Oh my
You just said,
goodness.
yeah.
Yep, yep. But he was so funny. He just, the baby flew down from where he's eating right now. He flew down because he was waiting and getting anxious about his liquid food, which he prefers to just eat on his own because he has zero patience for the syringe. He just wants the bowl. But so he flew down, and I told him step up. And when he did, Mr. Benjamin said, "Good boy, good boy." Yeah. And then we said, "Who's a good boy?" And he said, "Dylan." Is Dylan a good boy? Is Benjamin a good boy? See, you're too busy eating right now to talk.
So I gave him a little bit of my strudel.
I know, which probably isn't very healthy, but he loves it when Dylan gives him food. Hi, Mr. Peter.
What you doing?
Everybody seems so busy eating that
What you doing?
I hope he's not camera shy like Benjamin.
What you doing?
I'll have to get him
What you doing?
whistling soon. 'Cause
What
he
you
whistles
doing?
a lot.
What you doing?